In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for an IKEA credit card. If you enjoy shopping at IKEA and want to take advantage of their financing options, then applying for an IKEA credit card might just be your ticket to great savings and flexibility. So let's dive right into the process. First off, you want to navigate to IKEA's official website, IKEA.com. Once you're there, start by finding the option to either log in or sign up. If you don't already have an IKEA account, now is the time to create one. Look out for the words log in or sign up on the top right corner of the home page. It'll be pretty straightforward from there. Once you have logged into your account, click on sign in. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Ensure that it's the same email you used to create your account. After typing in your email, hit enter and the next screen will ask for your password. Go ahead, type in your password and then click continue. Now that you're logged in, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and find the customer service link. Clicking on it will lead you to an array of options, and here you should choose services. Next, under the financing section, you'll see an option that says IKEA credit cards. Go ahead and click on it to see all the information related to the credit card offerings. The page will have an option to learn more. Clicking on this will give you further details about what the IKEA credit card entails, such as the benefits you can enjoy and the financial terms you'll be accepting. In order to proceed with your application, downloading the IKEA Financial Service app is crucial. This app will be your hub for both applying for the credit card and managing it once you've received approval. So ensure it's installed on your mobile device. Once the app is ready, use it to submit your credit card application. The application will collect some personal information and financial details from you. Fill it out carefully, ensuring all the information is accurate to avoid any processing delays. After submitting your application, await approval. The good news is that approval usually takes just a few minutes. And if you're approved, you'll be able to use your IKEA family credit card right away with a virtual card on either Apple Pay or Google Pay. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you're now set up to reap the benefits of the IKEA credit card. Enjoy great savings on your next IKEA purchases. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more handy tutorials.